So now let's see how we can work around with transparency inside of Polotno Studio. So to do that, over here, if I were to go around on the shape area and bring in, let's say for example, this cube right here, I can go around and resize this out right here. I can also go around and bring in another shape over here. And you can see that it is opaque. That means I cannot see behind over here on this particular object right here from the object above. So what I need to do is I need to go around and then change around the opacity of the objects right here in order to go around and see behind. So over here on the top, once you click on this particular object over here on the top, you can see that transparency is an option. That's also the opacity. So if I were to go around and decrease this, you can see that the object becomes transparent and you can see through it right here. Same goes with the images as well. Let's say for example, if I were to go around over here and bring in, let's say for example, this image over here. So now what I can do is I can go around over here onto transparency and then decrease this out right here. And this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around and see through this right here. So this particular cube is not transparent right here. So let me just go around and bring it to the top right here. So I'm just going to go around and bring it forward. You can see that it is not transparent. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, a particular color, I can make that only color transparent as well, as you can see, in case this is a shape, so that the others are opaque and only this is transparent. And you can work around with transparency just like that as well. And that is how you can work around with transparency and make individual colors or entire objects transparent inside of Polotno Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.